My name is Natalie Waters, and I'm here in the Berkeley Hills with my mom, Sume. We've been practicing Qigong off and on now for about 20 years together, and we're delighted to have you join us in a session. So, Qi is the energy that's in us, all around us, buzzing and vibrating consistently throughout our lives. Qigong is the cultivation of that energy, and we cultivate the energy through posture, through movement, through breathing, and through meditation. So those are the 4 techniques we'll be going over in class today. So let's get started with just warming the body up. Starting stance is with your heels together, the toes out at about a 45-degree angle. Soften the knees and energize your thighs. Try to stack your shoulders above your hips. And we'll place the hands like you're holding a ball of energy just right in front of your belly. Almost like you were saying, yummy. So that's starting stance. Another stance we'll do is with the feet about hips width apart, toes pointing forward. From here, you can easily turn your toes out to shift side to side, and you can also step 1 foot forward or the other. Okay. The breath happens in and out through the nose, softly and sweetly and quiet. You are also welcome to exhale through the mouth if that feels more comfortable for you. The movement is the movement throughout the body and also inside the body. So we'll be doing physical movements to cultivate the energy inside with the energy externally all around us. But for the purpose of this class, it's a martial practice. It's going to be cultivating the internal power that we have. Cool, right? And lastly, at the end and also in between postures, we'll have a moment to just observe and meditate. Okay, let's begin by warming up. Feet are hips width apart and parallel to each other, so toes are pointing forward. Again, bend your knees, strengthen your legs, and just start by rocking from heels to toes, heel to toes. You can have your hands by your side, or you can keep that ball of energy by your belly, whichever you choose. And then we'll start to move the hands as well. So lift the hands up as you rock into your toes and press the hands down as you rock into your heels. So rock forward and back, forward and back. Allow the breath to guide you. It'll be 1 breath per cycle of movement. I like to inhale here, lifting the hands, and exhale, press down. Inhale and exhale. Almost like you're going to sit back into a chair when you exhale. That's the strength you want in your legs. We'll do this rocking 3 more times on our own. Come back to starting pose. Heels together, toes out, holding the ball of energy at your belly. Observing and noticing. Another warm-up is just to step the feet apart. Heels are about hips width apart with the toes facing out at a 45-degree angle. Again, soften the knees, strengthen the thighs. You can hold the ball, or you can have the hands swishing side to side as you just rock your weight from side to side and side to side. You can start to move the shoulders as well. Roll one shoulder back and then the other, and allow the hips to move. Really, you just want to feel your body weight shifting from side to side and side to side. This will really help with grounding and balance. You want to feel the point of your foot just between the ball of your foot and the arch. Then step your feet back together for starting pose. Heels together, toes out, holding your energy right at your belly. So you can hold this ball. There's another concept where the energy is in your palms and you can push and pull the energy. So step your right foot out to the side, just like you're going to take a step but land. It's going to be out at a 45-degree angle. And here, start by just shifting your weight back and forth and back and forth. You can hold that energy in the ball, and then you can start to push the energy away and pull the energy in. Pushing and pulling. We'll add the breath. Exhale, I like to push away the breath, and inhale, receive. Exhale, push. Inhale, receive. 3 more times on our own here, shifting from heels to toes as well. Come back to center, heels together, toes out, thighs strong. Holding the ball of energy just by the navel. Observing and noticing how you feel. Take a breath in and we'll exhale, step the left foot out and start to rock forward and back and forward and back. Then allow the hands to just gently follow. You can start with the movements fairly small and then allow the movements to get bigger and bigger as you push and pull. Continue with the breath. Exhale as you push away. Inhale to receive. Right? Exhale, let go. Inhale, welcome. 3 more times here on our own. One for good luck. Bring your hands back together, heels together, hold, cultivate, and notice. For the next one, the feet are back to being hips width apart, toes pointing forward. This one's called lifting the sky. Soften your knees into your horse stance, strong thighs as you push your palms down, pushing the energy down. Take an inhale to begin, and exhale, reach your arms forward, up and out, the arms down. And continue, press down, away from the body, up, and blossom open and out. You want to stretch through the heels of your hands. Push out and up, open. Breathe how it feels natural for you here. That might mean inhaling as you bring your hands down and exhale as you reach up and out. Likewise, you can also inhale as you stretch up. Just have one breath guide each full cycle of movement. We'll do 3 more times on our own here. lifting the sky. Excellent. Come back to starting pose. Heels together, knees soft, holding the energy we cultivated, containing it, and noticing. We'll continue that one breath, one movement with the feet apart again. We'll do the breathing exercise now. Feet can be out just a little bit. Soften into your stance. Exhale your hands by your side. Inhale, lengthen, reach the energy up. Exhale, draw from above down the center line of your body. Inhale from below up to the face. And exhale, push away. Inhale, receive. And exhale to hold and contain. If you don't feel the energy in your hands here, you can just gently rub your palms together. Feel the warmth of energy, and we'll do a second set. Exhale here. Inhale, lengthen, reach up. Exhale down the center line of your body. Inhale from the ground up. Exhale to blow out. Inhale, receive. And exhale down and hold. One more time. Exhale here. Inhale, lengthen, reach up. Exhale the hands down. Inhale from the earth up to your face. Exhale to blow out and release. Inhale towards the face, welcoming, cultivate, and then hold the energy down. The last one we'll do is holding the ball. Step your feet further apart with your toes pointing out, just like you're holding a ball of energy. Shift your weight side to side and side to side. You can start to play with that ball as you shift your weight side to side. You can hold one hand on top of the other. You can start to move the size of the ball around you. Just like you were hugging something big, embracing it. Moving and flowing, and you're welcome to just step in certain directions to move. And we'll have another 30 seconds here to just do what feels good for you. Bring the energy back to starting pose, and it's also closing pose as well. We hold the energy right in front of our belly and breathe and just notice. Doljasai.